All right, you have likely seen Ryan's forecast for the rest of the week, but some of us get to enjoy a little sunshine for at least the next 2 hours.
Yeah, it's southwestern Maine, New Hampshire already clearing, and I do think more people will see the clouds diminish before sunset. And one thing that we have going for us, we've got a little while before sunset. It's getting later and later. In fact, the first 8 o'clock is coming up on Saturday, I believe, in Portland. So that's going to be exciting. And we'll be able to see the sunset on Saturday. It's clear in York now, but to Brian's point, a lot more cloud cover in central and eastern Maine, as you can see in Prospect right now. A lot of these cumulus clouds still out there, but they are starting to fizzle away to the south and west. And we should catch a pretty good sunset coming up tonight. We have a window of clearing, and then these clouds are going to come in before daybreak tomorrow in southern and western Maine, and that's ahead of the showers that come in tomorrow afternoon. So temps do drop quickly tonight, but the low temperature is probably around 2 or 3 in the morning in parts of southern Maine, assuming these clouds then thicken up. Eastern and northern Maine, your low will be right around sunrise as usual. And there will be sun in eastern and northern Maine for a while tomorrow morning, while it's cloudy to the south and west with showers that begin rolling in. And it looks damp off and on through the afternoon. None of this rain looks particularly heavy, but there will be showers out there that make it challenging to have anything completely dry through the afternoon and evening tomorrow. Then on Thursday morning, it looks like we wake up to a lot of clouds, maybe a little drizzle, but not much steady rain in the morning. The odds for steadier rain go up, though, Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, particularly in the southern half and into western Maine. Northern and eastern Maine probably not quite as wet out of that round. And then on Friday, this low just meanders to our south. It'll result in just some showers around and kind of damp weather, particularly in southern Maine. And then we turn it around heading into the weekend. This thing zooms out of here. We have a ridge of high pressure that begins building in. There could be a pop-up shower or thunderstorm Saturday afternoon in northern Maine, but that's a sign of the warmer air coming in. Temps get to around 70 on Saturday afternoon. And this is kind of a cold front in name only that comes through early Sunday. And what it actually will do is change the wind direction. So the warmest weather on Sunday may actually be near the coast with a northwest wind. Temps even at the coast could hit the lower 70s on Sunday afternoon, 60s up north. Given this is Tuesday, there still could be some changes, but we feel pretty good that broadly speaking, it's going to be warming up heading into the weekend. This is a look at the forecast for rain totals through Friday. Again, southern Maine favored out of this round of rain, with the heaviest being Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. Lesser amounts to the northeast where you don't quite get into the heavy stuff as we see it now. On the water tomorrow sees 2 to 4 feet with a southerly wind 10 to 20 knots out there on the water. So maybe a little morning sunshine, especially the farther east and north you are. Showers move in for the afternoon tomorrow, and it will be a wet evening or a damp one at the very least. Showery Thursday morning, but steadier rain, especially southern and central Maine Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. Maybe a pop-up shower or storm up north on Saturday. Otherwise, the weekend looking good. And then early next week, it's all about the wind direction. Maybe a sea breeze on Monday, but if we flip that sea breeze around, Tuesday could be quite warm, even at the coast. That's our forecast. We're back with much more right after this.